Chippy! Chippy!
Hey guys, it's me Chippy. I'm with Chef Buddy, and he just brought over this awesome dish. Now this is, what is this? This is like a Rice Krispie treat.
There's more in here than it looks like. Yeah, there's Rice Krispies, there's granola, there's blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries.
No way. And I see that there's got a little hint of some marshmallow. Is that the tray?
Maybe.
He's brought a whole like granola and Rice Krispie treat snack for us, and he's gonna do some cookie cutters.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
show
did.
us
I
what
brought
you
some
got.
cookie cutters with me here. We're gonna go with dinosaur themes today.
Dinosaur themes.
All right. So let me reach in here. Let me see what I have first.
Okay.
Right here. Oh, I can never remember the name of this one.
It's a Stegosaurus.
Stegosaurus.
Yeah.
Stegosaurus. So we're just gonna put the Stegosaurus right over here. Gonna cut one of these out here. We'll
Okay.
stick it there. It'll be about ready here in a minute.
What do you got there?
This is, I want to say,
Triceratops.
that's a Triceratops. I knew that.
Yeah.
I knew it.
That's a Triceratops.
So let's throw that one here. That looks about right.
Okay.
Yeah, that looks like a good spot for a Triceratops. This looks like a Loch Ness monster.
It does look like it, but that's a Bronchiosaurus. It's okay.
I never remember. I can never remember.
Yeah.
Bronchiosaurus.
Yeah.
Let's put a Bronchiosaurus right here in the middle.
Okay.
I like the look of that. Don't you?
I love the look of
I
it.
like that. Okay, I think I've got one more. Oh, this is my favorite one.
This is your.
This is
This
my
actually is
favorite.
your favorite one.
I love pterodactyls.
Pterodactyl.
So I'm very excited to put this one on the cookie sheet here.
Dude, put it on there.
I'm gonna throw it over on your side because I'm so happy that you had me over here as a guest, Chippy.
Okay, we'll be right back.
Imagine, if you will, 2 cups of Rice Krispies dropped in a clean glass bowl, covered with 2 cups of bare naked granola, with raspberries, strawberries, and blueberries, accompanied by 10 ounces of beautiful, fluffy marshmallows. Now let's take our imagination on a journey and pretend our spatula is our magic wand, moving marshmallows and strawberries, raspberries and blueberries, Rice Krispies and granola all together. Pouring it in slow motion on a buttery pan. Spreading it evenly on the sheet, reminding yourself life is good. Toss it in the oven at 400 degrees for 5 minutes. And when you pull it out, you're gonna have yourself a nice chippy treat.
Now that we got all our dinosaurs cut out, let's go ahead and point them out.
All right, let's go for Stegosaurus.
Stegosaurus!
Try that one. There we go. Let's bring this little guy out here.
Whoa!
Oh, there it is.
Nice.
Kind of looks like a Stegosaurus.
It kind of looks like a Stegosaurus.
I think it looks more like a Stegosaurus.
Dude, let's go ahead and get the next one out. You want to do this one? Oh,
This is a
Triceratops.
say that again? I
Triceratops.
can never get that right.
Oh,
Triceratops.
dude.
There we are.
There we go. Okay. Now we got pterodactyl.
My favorite.
That's your favorite.
Let's do that one. I can't
Okay.
wait. Can't wait. There it
Look at
is.
that. So gooey.
Big beautiful bird there. It's got a blueberry in it.
It does have a blueberry. Okay. Now what do we got here?
And this is a Bronchiosaurus.
I think that is a Bronchiosaurus.
That's what they say.
That's what I've been told that that's what they are.
All right.
Oh man. Now,
And there we have it.
there we have it. I actually would love to try a couple of these.
Me
I'll let
too.
you have the pterodactyl.
Can I have the pterodactyl?
Yeah, I would love it if
That's
you
my
did.
favorite one. And I also am a giant fan of blueberries as well.
Oh gosh. Do you mind if I have a triceratops there?
I would not mind that at all.
Okay.
Cheers, buddy.
Cheers, dude. I'm not gonna lie. These are really, really good.
I think we actually nailed it.
Yeah.
Where you go? Where's that?
I'm laughing because it's like, man, these really are good. That's actually a really good
I
combo.
put way more marshmallows in it than I admitted to.
Oh gosh. Well, dude, thanks again, Chef Buddy, coming over here and showing us awesome like treats, and they're so much fun.
Yeah.
Look at that, little dinosaurs.
Look at that little guy.
Yeah, that was so delicious, and you're so awesome.
That was fun.
That was like really good, man. I really appreciate that. Mwah. That's why I got that.
Yeah. That's what they're
A
here
hug
for.
before you go?
Absolutely.
Yeah, dude.
Thank you, Chippy. Chef Steph.
Alright.
So all I'm asking her to do is this one simple thing. She doesn't like my eggplant parmesan, but the least she could do would be to like and subscribe down below, just so that way I could know that she cares about my feet. I'm getting a page. I gotta go. Hey, Chef Steph, it's good to see you.
Hey guys, it's me, Chippy and Struggles. We're at Venice Beach. This is my first time ever being here. So excited. What?
This is my old playground.
Really?
Check this out.
Let's go see.
Wait a second. I think that's my cousin. Hey, Chippy, what are you up to?
I'm writing my jokes for stand-up tonight.
Stand up.
Yeah, it's tonight. Are you coming or not?
I just feel like they never get my jokes.
Never get your jokes. You're hilarious. Here,
Thanks,
we gotta go soon, so write your jokes down while we go there, okay? Please?
All right, Chippy.
Please get it together. This is gonna be so much fun.
Oh, boy.
Hey everybody, it's Silly Goose here, host of the Golden Egg Comedy Show. Here to announce our first guest, Chef Buddy! Let's hope his comedy is better than his cooking.
Hey, I got a question for you guys. Why do melons have weddings? Because they can't elope. Hey, the other day my friend says to me, "What rhymes with orange?" I said, "No, it doesn't." Two goldfish are driving a tank. One says to the other one, "Hey, how do you drive this thing?" Thanks so much, Golden Egg. That's my time.
Hey, I was thinking about going on an all-almond diet the other day, and then I realized that's just nuts. Speaking of nuts, give it up for our next guest, Struggle!
Hey, guys, do you know why they call him Silly Goose? What did the lawyer name his daughter? Sue! I'm Struggles, everybody. Another one for you. What does the farmer drive for his car? Come on. A cornvertible? Got one. Going around here somewhere. It's gonna get you guys. Oh, here's one for you. How are relationships sometimes like algebra? Sometimes you look at your ex and wonder why. Huh? Huh? Anybody? Maybe that's the next show, maybe. All right, last one for you guys. You've been great. What did the schizophrenic accountant say? I hear invoices. Whatever.
That was cold, just like a penguin's home. Do you know how a penguin makes his home? It glues it together! For the next guest of the night, this guy's bananas! Chippy!
Hey guys, give it up for the Silly Goose, everyone. Hey, did you guys hear the rumor about butter? Well, if you haven't, I'm not gonna spread it. Hey guys, what do you call mac and cheese all in your face? A little too close for comfort food, am I right? Hey, you ever wonder why a skeleton never goes trick-or-treating? Because they got nobody to go with! Chippy. Thanks, Golden Egg, and good night!
Hey guys, if you have your own jokes for Chippy, go ahead and leave them in the comment section. And if you like what you saw, give us a like and a subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.
here.